Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. Today, I'm here at the Premier Medical Center here in Parañaque. So our case for today is abdominoplasty with repair of hernia. So yung patient po natin, meron po siyang mass, meron po siyang bukol dito sa below the umbilicus, no, ng pusod. Then I asked her to have a CT scan, no, para sure po tayo kung ano po yan. So it turned out to be hernia. So I'm going to repair the hernia, i-repair po natin yan. Then I'm going to put a mesh para tumibay yung kanyang abdominal wall kasi weak. Then tuloy po yan ng abdominoplasty. Then liposuction po. Magla-liposuction din po tayo sa back and dito po sa abdomen. So that is our case for today. Here at the Premier Medical Center for your premium medical care. Dito po tayo sa the Premier Medical Center. Another day, another surgery. Another day, another watch. Blue Sea. Hi, I'm done with the procedure. Originally, this is hernia repair, but we found out that it's not hernia. May soft tissue mass siya here, no, sa may infraumbilical area. So remove the mass. Then we also place a mesh. No, naglagay rin po ng mesh kasi weak yung kanyang abdominal wall para medyo tumibay. Then we did liposuction sa upper back. So I will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery.